They're beautiful and pretty. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh my god. Look at them. Why is my hand so shaky? What?
What's the tip off?
I'm so shaky.
Are you taking a video?
Maybe. Why am I so shaky right now?
Because you're running around so much. Did you leave your soda in the car?
Yeah. Why?
Make sure you don't leave it somewhere.
Oh my god, it's up so close. Oh, he's so adorable. Hi. He's so close to us. Quack, quack.
You want to keep walking?
I wonder if this duck will come up here.
Yeah, then.
He's so adorable. He's curious. He's a curious little duck. I need to make him like an OC. I need to do that. He's so adorable.
To control the part of our brain that has an evolved from our vision.
Oh my god. Chunky. Oh. He went back in the water. I want to keep him so badly. He's so adorable. Look at his little feet. Oh. Look at him. Oh my god, he can just... He's going away. He's so adorable.
Oh, wow. There's a very fluffy white dog.
Oh,
Okay, don't record people. Sorry.
I'm not recording people. It's not even in front of them.
What are you pointing at?
Duck.
Okay, honey, that's fake.
Oh.
Yeah, now you're fine.
Why would you think I would be pointing at people?
I thought you were recording the people with the dogs. I was
No.
like, don't record people.
He's so adorable. You see his little feet.
Yes, I see his feet.
Hi. He's looking at us. You need to take a picture.
Posing for you.
Oh. I'm keeping this forever. This is so adorable.
You're so cute.
I'm gonna see if there's any more ducks.
Oh, there's one down here.
Oh. Baker Park has so many adorable ducks. I thought that was, you said, oh, that's a pretty white one. I thought that was real. Don't point out things that aren't real.
No, I was telling you pretty white
Oh.
dog.
Ah.
And then you turned your camera, and that's why I said don't record people. Does it make sense now?
Yeah, I thought you meant like the duck. I was like, oh. How much percent is this? Okay, it has battery saver on, so I think
How much percent?
7%. It's on battery
You
saver.
only have 7% battery.
Maybe.
Kyle, you've got to learn. It's hard to find throughout the day.
I do. I unplug them into 100% in the morning.
But also, your phone was charging all night. But
Yeah.
then the
Oh.
food on his watch.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You got
scooter. I love scooters. I don't know why people hate scooters. They're a good thing to use. Well, nature walk, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this way.
Before you sit on this side, I went to the other side.
Okay, so do you want a long walk or a shorter walk?
A long walk.
We're gonna go this way then.
Alright. So I just want to...
Just remember, we gotta walk all the way back to the car when we're done.
Alright. More nature then. So pretty.
Yeah.
Yep. Your phone just pushing on my hand. It's alright. Ooh, pretty waterfall. This is a pretty walk. Is that a pool? Yeah. I need to go to that pool one day.
Well, we have to get your full stuff back
Oh.
from Kate.
Yeah. Although we still have that one bathing suit.
Yeah, but for each time of each bags,
Oh.
your bottles. Otherwise, we could have done that today. This side, Riley.
Do you know when she's gonna bring it back?
No, I was hoping you had already messaged her.
Oh, I forgot. I'll message her when we get home. Wait, no, I have my thing in the car. I'll message her when we get in the car.
You want to play with this one at all?
Sure.
You want to keep walking?
I'll wait this one.
All right, go for it. Boom.
Yep. I'm recording.